Hi! Let's make a charming giraffe pencil topper using air dry clay. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. So gather some air dry clay and let's dive in. We need yellow, light pink, brown and black air dry clay. Separate your clay into smaller, more manageable pieces so you can focus on one part of the sculpture at a time. Keep remaining clay in sealed plastic bags so it won't dry. Take small piece of yellow clay, create a smaller ball. Flatten it and shape it into a slightly elongated oval shape. This will be the giraffe's head. Next, create two small, pointy ears. Attach them to the sides of the head, using gentle pressure. Use light pink clay to shape a separate ball of clay for the snout, and press it to the front of the face. Now, it's time to give the giraffe some adorable features. You can use a plastic tool to create mouth and small indents for the nostrils and eyes. Use black clay to create little eyes. It's time to add some spots on giraffe's head. Take brown clay and make small irregular circles out of it. Flat them and adjust using tools or fingers. Paste them on the sides and back of the giraffe's head. To create the giraffe's long neck, take a small piece of yellow clay and gently roll it between your fingers or table until it forms a smooth cylinder. Now add brown spots on giraffe's neck. Did you know that giraffes are the tallest mammal in the world? They can grow up to 5.5 meters. Giraffes usually live up to about 25 years in the wild. Giraffes don't need much sleep, only between 10 minutes and 2 hours. Another fun fact is that giraffes can stand half an hour after being born, and they can run after just 10 hours. Giraffe calves become independent at around 15 to 18 months old, but may stay with their mothers for up to 5 years. Giraffes prefer to eat fresh leaves rather than grass. Their tall stature and long tongues give them an advantage, allowing them to reach food sources unavailable to other herbivores. Giraffes spend most of their day eating, because they have to consume a large quantity of food to support their massive bodies. I hope you like those interesting facts about giraffes. Now, let's finish adding a couple more spots on giraffe's neck. Attach the head to the body by gently pressing the two pieces together. Finally, carefully insert a pencil into the body of your giraffe, ensuring it fits snugly. Adjust the neck and head if needed. Roll out two identical cylinder shapes for the horns. Flatten the top part and shape it using some tools or fingers. And delightful air dry clay giraffe pencil topper is ready. Let it fully dry for 1 or 2 days. This adorable companion will surely bring a smile to your face every time you reach for your pencil.